Hi guys, welcome to the Coachella vlog. So we're on the flight and I'm about to make me, Bridget, and the flight attendant some matcha in my little matcha thing. So he brought us over hot water, milk. These are oat milk packets. Okay. Then inside, I actually do have my own to-go cup. Then I have two different types of matcha. And then I have this is the new all the rage. You put the matcha in here with hot water and you shake it, so you don't need a whisk. And then my measuring spoon. Oh, don't mind this. Long story. We're at our layover in Denver. And here's the view. Wow, look at the mountains and the plain on the tarmac. Touchdown in Palm Springs.
Yeah.
Bridget and I are walking to get coffee with a K. So we just wanted to get our steps in because we've had a very long travel day. So I just threw on this set. Danielle is on FaceTime as if she's here, thank God. And it's hot. It was actually drizzling like a second ago, but it's definitely hot. There is a nice breeze. So we're gonna go get coffee, then we're gonna go back, shower, get ready for our welcome dinner and drinks at the hotel. I'll show you guys the room.
Yes.
And happy Coachella.
Happy Coachella.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little room tour. This is our front door and it overlooks the pool area. And then inside, we have a living room. Everything is like very like vintage, old school, Hollywood almost, like very cool vibes. In here we have the kitchen, which is really chic. And we have some snacks, goodies, the whole thing. And then a little Smeg fridge, so cute. Then we have my room, some gifting, shout out Remy and Magnum, of course. Here's the bed, closet. Then we have bathroom. Okay, so I just got out of the shower, blow dried my hair. It's so funny because my hair typically takes so long to dry, but since we're in the desert and it's so dry here, it took 2 seconds. But we're gonna do some light makeup today for the welcome party or the welcome dinner. I am here with Bridget. She invited me as her +1. And we're here with Magnum ice cream bars. So we're super excited. I am a diehard Justin Bieber fan. So thank you to Danielle who gave up her spot for me to come along because this is literally my lifelong dream. So I am so grateful to be here. Honestly, it doesn't even feel real yet, but I'm doing very light makeup because we had a very long travel day, as you guys saw. And I just want to go to bed right after dinner because it's been a long day. So we're doing light makeup. I'm mixing the House Labs foundation with Rhode and using my fingers for a little bit of a more natural look. My skin has been clearing up. I did get my IUD removed, which was causing me so much acne. I made a whole TikTok about it, but basically I switched from birth control over to an IUD. 3 months went by and I woke up with cystic acne, basically all over my body. So it's definitely gotten so much better. I'm still dealing with like a few residuals, but I'm not really like waking up to anything new. So just treating those, and I can't wait to get back to normal. But yeah, we are so excited. Tomorrow is Sabrina Carpenter. Saturday is Justin Bieber. Can't even deal. Favorite ever. We're just gonna do a little bit of light bronzer. We're here with our friends Audrey, Jazz, Maddie, Katie. It's gonna be a really fun time at the Magnum house, but about an hour away from the Coachella grounds. So tomorrow we'll probably leave here at like noon. We do have yoga in the morning and breakfast, so that'll be fun. But this is like my first, I mean, I'm still technically a +1, but brand trip. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I'll show you guys when I'm done. All right, we are at dinner. This looks fire. Oh, there's Maddie. Picking a skewer. This rice, turmeric rice, pita, tzatziki. Okay. What's up there? Whoa, what do we have?
Got chicken kebabs, veggie kebabs, and shrimp kebabs.
Oh, I'll do chicken.
Chicken?
Yep. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Good morning. We are at Mentosa. Look at the menu. Look at the matcha they use. Not my favorite.
Do you want me to go to your
So
Instagram?
good. So we're gonna get coffee, and it's already so hot out, so we gotta prep for the day. This place is a vibe. Bridget found it. Wearing the same thing as yesterday. I feel like I need to get a tin because you can only order it online, so maybe I'll get one. These are cute. I'm like such a merch girl, you have no idea. Hanging by the pool for a bit before we start getting ready. And it's very hot but gorgeous. Okay guys, so I just finished my hair and makeup. I used my GHD waiver for my hair, and I'm gonna post a tutorial on my TikTok, so check it out there. I am so hungry, I need to eat before we go to the festival, but we're about to get dressed, head to the Magnum pool party, and then come back, head to Coachella, go to the Magnum booth at Coachella, and then go to 818 Outpost, and then Sabrina Carpenter's on tonight. It's a lot, but we're having so much fun. It is so beautiful here. The mountains are like insane. But yeah, let's go get dressed. Okay, just got some lunch at the pool, and we're headed back to the room to eat and chill before getting dressed. Oh my God, we made it to Coachella and it is windy. I'll show you my fit later, but we're here. We are walking into Coachella, the infamous walk. It's dusty.
Cierra didn't realize what she was getting herself into with this walk.
Nope. At least I got comfy shoes on. Yeah. And my bandana did help because it was very dusty when we first got here. Yeah, we'll vlog more when we get in. We're walking to the same coffee spot as yesterday, and we have to go to Sephora because Bridget ran out of her foundation. So we have to do that, and then I think we're gonna do a bit of like a pool day, and then we have road, and we have Poosh today too, Maddie.
Are we going?
We just got our beverages. I got matcha with cold foam. Bridget got the Spanish latte.
So good.
And we also got breakfast burritos. We're starving. So we're gonna head to Sephora, restock Bridget's foundation, and then play by the pool, and we have road today. All right, so we just laid by the pool for a bit, and now we're heading to Sephora. It was closed earlier. So we're gonna pick up Bridget's foundation and then go to potentially Free People. We just got some light color by the pool, but then we're gonna get ready, and then we're gonna take some content, go to road, potentially Poosh, who knows. I just have to say, I've been using my Travel Day shampoo and conditioner, DAE. My hair has never been softer. It's like silk. Yeah, I feel like we're so go that I haven't been on my typical vlogging schedule, but weather is perfect right now. The breeze here is beautiful. Hi vlog! Coachella day 2 / Bieberchella.
Oh, you're wearing the boots?
No, it was just for the video.
Hi,
I'm gonna switch into sneakers because we're doing comfort today. My pants are from Doll's Kill. They're a little big, so we're gonna be pulling up today, but worth it. And then this top is from Ghani. Bridget looks insane. Top is incredible. Just some curls, and I know it's gonna fall out because it was so windy there yesterday. Bag is packed. You know what, maybe I'll wear these today. Oh, I also had, wait guys, I had this. Maybe not. I'm changing into sneaks. I think I might do these sunnies. Sneaks it is. Flat road. Okay, we're gonna play some balloon darts. You win some prizes. These are the shapes of the new pimple patches. very cute.
Ooh, that looks so good.
So good. All right, guys, we're walking in. There's the Ferris wheel. And it is currently what time?
5:39.
5:39. Okay, we made it to Skylar. Not sure where to enter. It's right here. Wow, you're sparkling. Okay guys, we're comfy, cozy, camping out for Justin. We have our merch on. It's not clocking to you. Hair is up, sitting on the ground, sneakers on. We're both in our merch.
We're cozy. I took my extensions out.
Yeah, we're cozy. And it is what time?
8:08.
8:08. The strokes don't come on for another hour. And then we wait another hour for Justin. So it's gonna be a very long night, but it's gonna be worth it. And then we're gonna go home and sleep for a long time. So, ready for the best night of my life. Holy, look at my eyes. Can't even open them. I should have done it before, but Justin and after.
Yeah, you should have.
Probably high from the secondhand smoke.
You think?
No. I'm puffy from crying. Hi guys. Me post Justin. Oh my god. Hi! Good morning vlog. Happy post Coachella. Still processing, still recovering. I have no words. We're now just reliving it, and I can't even watch the videos or listen to anything on social media yet because it's reliving it, and it was just so overwhelming. So yeah, best night of my entire life. Goes up there with, see, and that's God. And that's on God. As I was saying, it was just so incredible, and I'm so grateful for Bridget and Danielle for allowing me to be able to do this. Oh my God, it was the best day of my life. We're gonna have a pool day today, film some content, and we'll keep you updated. Okay, we're shopping in this very cute little market that's attached to the coffee shop. The stuff is so cute in here. I love all of the like little knickknacks. I'm gonna get this little pin, the Palm Springs pin, for my needlepoint bag. That one's cute too. I wanna get something for my sister actually that I saw over here. Oh, cute. Ornament. I need a magnet. Always get my magnets. Okay, little update. We've been chilling for a bit. It's pretty cloudy and chilly today, of course.
Worse than we have the whole day to tan.
We really wanted to tan. So we're going on a walk.
I'd be dead end, but I should scope it out.
This is pretty. Like, look at the mountains. So we might find a place for dinner tonight. But look at my new Rhodes spotwear. Just in time for my cystic acne. Which is doing better, by the way. I think I mentioned that. Still in my Skylark. Honestly, so comfortable. We have a 5 a.m. flight tomorrow morning, so we gotta rest up for that. Look how pretty.
Yeah, 5 a.m. flight.
Going to dinner at Malaysia? I don't know.
Maybe outside.
Yeah, let's do that. More casual. Look at all the cacti.